Yeah, welcome back. Welcome back. As you know that, the only time I got to record my video is 5 minutes. So crazy, man. 5 minutes. Oh my God. So as I was saying in the previous video, which I will join this with that one. I will join them together. So you will be able to watch them as only one, not separate. So if you are still a beginner in Forex, okay, because following this naked chart could be for professional, but what I'm saying is the most important thing is to identify the trend. And you as a beginner, you cannot do this by just looking at this your chart. That is why you need the Forex Trendy to guide you. And if you're talking about the Forex Trendy and you feeling like you need it, you check the link under this video. The Forex Trendy link is right there for you, which I know. That is the only thing that can teach you about the Forex trend, how the price moves, where is it going, without you thinking twice. All you just did is a good strategy. Now, look, if you don't like to do the one I said before, like, following the naked chart, breaking the range, you know, then you might like to do things that looks like, you may be the one who's gonna like to do things that look like let me bring you something. Maybe you like something that looks like this. Wait, something that looks like this one. We're gonna now put our arrow. If you need this arrow, the link is under this video too. This one now lets you to be able to follow up the trend. Okay. Everything is having the alert and other things is okay. Possible alert on current. Yep, true. You may like to follow this trend by applying this. Hey, my God, look at. You may follow this trend by applying this arrow of 10 crossing the 50, and you begin to follow this in the uptrend. Follow this in the uptrend. Follow this in the uptrend. Look, just calculate your good lot size. That's it. And then you can follow any of this. This. You can follow any of them if you know how to split your own lot size. Okay. The first video I made happens to be the overall idea of the trend itself. Okay. But now, this second one is how to follow it if you are the one following that trend day by day by day. Okay, if you are the one following it day by day. But you will not follow blindly though, because the trend has a behavior. This is why we're gonna put something that looks like because the trend has a behavior. Everything we put on our chart has a meaning. So because the trend has a behavior, then I'm gonna put something. Wait for me, please. I'm gonna put something. The trend has a behavior. When it gets somewhere, it's gonna do a little bit of turnaround. This is why we put support resistance 500 to know the boundary which we are trading. We are trading in a boundary of a 500 support resistance. When price has been hitting it, then it's coming back down a little bit. Okay, it hit it here, came back down, hit it here, came back down. So as it's hitting it, it's going up, which means it's trending. The big time frame they are trending, I'm on the 1 hour time frame. But then the last bottom it ever created, inside that zone is this, which means it may be bouncing on this and going up to break this level until it breaks it and give us another long leg, which you continue to use this arrow to follow it. If you need this arrow, it is under this video. You get it. If you get what gives you a guidance on how to succeed in your Forex, and the tool is under the video, why